welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, hello, my name is Amina and I am running late. As you've already read the title, this is going to be a vlog, and I think I just can never be a good vlogger because I'm always running late and I always miss out on capturing the moments for you guys. I am in a hurry. I just have 10 minutes to go and I have to get ready like very fast. So basically, let me give you context. I'm going to college after like so many months. I think the last time I went to college was in March when I had to like give my practicals exam, and again now I'm going for practicals, and after that we're planning to go out. I mean, like, I with my friends planning to go out somewhere nice, maybe mall or maybe, yeah, I've just not decided. But as I said, I just have 10 minutes and you can see me all, you know, dressed up, wearing earring and all of that. I really wanted to look good because you get my point. So I'm going there after so long and I'm going to go out with my friends. So obviously I want to look nice. You get my point? I'm just practicing to look at you guys, like as in I'm looking at the lens and not at myself, so I don't really know how I look and how my expressions are. I'm just gonna ask you to excuse me, and I know that I'm constantly looking there, here, everywhere else but the lens. But yeah, please just bear with me. I'm practicing, I'm learning to do better, I guess. So now we're just gonna quickly do my makeup. I'm gonna show you how I do my everyday makeup, and then I'd be ready. Makeup look, I will not wear any base because I do not like wearing too much makeup. I just like to keep it very minimal. So I'm gonna just I've just applied moisturizer on my face. That's it. Now I'm gonna go in with a blush. So for blush I'm gonna use this, which is NYX butter lipstick. So yeah, let's do it. 5 minutes and I'm running late. Next I'm gonna go in with a kajal. So this one is from Plum, right? So let me just get going. So I'm going to repeat the same to this eyes and I'll meet you guys. A very important step. I usually get like a lot of compliments for my eyes, and I'm going to give you the secret out here, okay? Just kidding. So it's nothing big. What you have to do is take eyeshadow brush and then choose the lightest shade of brown. So this is the lightest shade of brown that I have. I hope you can see it. Yeah, this one. So what I would do is I would take very little of that, okay? And you see, this is the line, okay? So I think this is what we call as crease. So this is basically to give your eyes more definition. So you just do this, nothing else but a line like this with that. So I'm going to repeat the same to this. So I went ahead and I did my lips. So for the lips, as you can see, I'm always a nude person, and also because I'm going to the college, I don't want to use bold colors, but even then I normally don't prefer using bold colors. So this is a lip liner that I used, okay? So this is from Swiss Beauty and it's in the shade Choco Nude 03. This is it, okay? Now I'm going to be just using a lip balm. So it's a watermelon lip balm from Body Blush, which is a small business. So guys, try to support small businesses as much as you can, okay? Okay, so this is my everyday makeup look, the natural one. Very little products. I literally used nothing. As you can see, I just used blush and went ahead with kajal and then very little eyeshadow just for the defining thing, and then I went ahead with a nude lip liner and I used a lip balm. That's it, and that's my everyday makeup look, which looks very natural. Okay, and also I'm wearing this new dress. I will be mentioning the pages over here of all the products that I'm using, so you will know. okay, I'm just gonna go do my hair and then like book an auto because I am running late. Okay, also in the process, I just forgot that I have to look here and not at myself. What am I doing? Okay, just bear with me, guys. Just bear with me. I'm ready. So, as much as I would want to leave my hair free, as you all know how hot it is here in Chennai, I just could not. I mean, wearing this dress in itself is killing me. I did not expect it to be this hot, and I've not even left my home yet. Just imagine the situation, how it would get, and how sweaty I would be the moment I leave the house and enter an auto. I just don't even want to think about it, I guess, but yeah. So a ponytail. I know, I honestly don't know what I'm doing, you guys. A little outfit of the day. I am extremely tensed at the moment. Like after trying for 20 minutes continuously, both me and my mom, I have finally got an auto from Ola. So I'm gonna run now. I'll meet you guys later. Bye. After mishaps, apparently he also cancelled on me. And now after trying for another 15 minutes, we've booked a car. Hopefully he will at least come soon. I am getting worked up. I'm really getting worked up. And I also forgot to wear my ID card. Thanks to my mother, who's always got my back. The thing is, in my college, we are not allowed to use phones inside. So, yeah, I won't be able to vlog anything inside. So, that's that. Okay, guys, finally meet Sushi. Say hi. Okay, finally got done with the practicals, and oh my god, as you can see, I'm sweating and I look so dead already. And we are heading to Emily's, which is one of my most favorite places here in Chennai. So, you all know how much good food makes me feel. So, I can't wait to go there and try out my favorite dishes after so long. We finally reached Emily's, and hear my story. I'm so very disappointed because I came to this place only because I love the coconut prawns over here, but no, they don't have it, and it pretty much happens with me every single time. Whenever I want something and I choose a place, they just don't have it, and it just annoys me, and I'm kind of pissed. But yeah, that's the update. I've just ordered a pizza or something. But meet Sushi, I was not able to give a proper introduction because we were traveling in auto. So hi. And we also have Naina and Ranjini with us. You all already know them. You've seen them in my previous vlog. So here you go.
Hi guys.
Now Naina is saying hi guys. She's just got the hang of it. So we are waiting for food and very hungry. I'll show you when the food arrives, but until then, we're just gonna take like lots of pictures and boomerangs. Look at Ranju eating and Naira trying to act cute.
I feel the mayo the peanut.
Okay, so we had lots of food and it's all over if you can see.
No,
Yes?
she didn't finish. She didn't finish. She is cheating.
Because I cannot eat a lot. We had like a very good day. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So with this, we obviously come to the end of the vlog. So if you like this video,
Like, share, comment,
and subscribe to our channel. Bye.